Hello everyone, and in this video I'll explain new Meta AI Llama 3.1. In this video, I'll give you everything you need to know about this latest breakthrough in AI that is setting new standards. New AI Llama 3 isn't just another update, it represents a monumental leap forward with processing speeds. This tool isn't just faster, it's redefining efficiency. Currently, Llama 3 is powering a range of popular platforms, making interactions smarter on Facebook, enhancing user experiences on Instagram, and streamlining communications on WhatsApp and Messenger to help with the smart reply suggestions, and so much more wherever you engage. Llama 3 is enhancing that connection. So now, what is Llama 3? It is your all-in-one AI solution capable of understanding and interacting in over 100 languages. It's a truly global tool. It is not just an AI, it is your gateway to connecting with the world. It will also help you to make easy automated money with AI in just minutes with minimal time and effort. For professionals and creators, Llama 3 integrates seamlessly with an extensive array of AI tools, enhancing everything from data analysis to creative processes. Imagine the productivity boost when your tools work as hard as you do. Users report a 50% decrease in project completion times and a significant improvement in output quality. Now, how to use Llama 3? Meta AI Llama 3 isn't just performing tasks, it's enhancing careers. Ease of use is key. Meta AI Llama 3 offers a user-friendly interface that demystifies AI technology, making powerful tools accessible to everyone, not just technology experts. Hear from a range of users who have integrated Llama 3 into their daily routines. One user mentioned, "It hasn't made my coffee yet, but it has done almost everything else." Now, what is next for Llama 3? As for learning, Llama 3 adapts to your needs, becoming more intuitive with every use. It's less like using a tool and more like developing a dynamic partnership. Soon, you will find Llama 3 integrated into even more applications, including cutting-edge virtual reality platforms and next-generation messaging services, such as Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and more. The future is coming, and it's powered by Llama 3. Now let's talk about Meta AI Llama 3 news. In AI news, Mark Zuckerberg has highlighted Llama 3 as a cornerstone of Meta's commitment to ethical AI development. This tool doesn't just meet current standards, it sets them looking ahead. Llama 3 is set to revolutionize personal assistance with predictive technology that anticipates needs before they are even expressed. I know it's scary. Hey, imagine an AI that knows what you need when you need. It's coming in the few next month, and you can find out more at aimeta.com. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, and share, and see you in a new video.